Okay, today let's see how to create simple web pages using HTML. So let us start with the notepad. Click on the notepad. Okay, so each and every web pages starts with the common tag or what we call basic tag called as HTML, and these HTML or whatever other tags are written using angular bracket. So they start and they end it with the slash. So like how I am writing here. So this is the first tag, or it is must when we are creating the web pages using hypertext markup language, that is HTML. Okay, so now let us start with just a heading part of the web page. So now imagine that I'm going to create one HTML web page. So for that I'm deciding what should be the title of my web page. So for that we have head tag here. So write head and end it with a head, and then in between the head of my web page I would like to give the title for the web page. So again, title will come inside the title tag. So you write title slash title. In between that, you write whatever title you would like to give it to your web page. So since this is my first web page, I will say a simple web page. So this is what is my heading. So let's run and see how my web page will appear. So before that I need to save the web pages. So I'll just say file save. So you decide where you would like to save your web pages. Now I'm saving it under the desktop. So what name you decided. So let me decide my web page name is web1. But if I write just a web1 and then click on the save button, what exactly happens is my file will be saved as just a text document, not as a web document. So how do I convert text document into a web document? Is just attaching the extension, file extension HTML or HTML. You have to say your web page name .html, then save it. So now my web page, a simple web page is ready. So where is it? It's under desktop. So here it is. Just double click and have a look. So my default a web browser what I have taken is a Firefox, so it appears in the Firefox. So hope everyone can see the title of my web page is simple web page. So that's what I have given here. Okay, so now let us attach. So head is over. Now let us attach a body to it. So for that we have a body tag. So say body, then over here and the body tag. Inside the body tag, so we can have some headings, some paragraphs. So let us first try with the heading. So H1. So for that we have H1, H2, H3 like that up to H6 tags. So each tag will have different formatting, different font size. So let's show you. So H1 stands for the first main heading. So this is heading 1. Let us see how it appears in H1 tag. Okay, so H1. So now let us run this. So how my heading will appear in. So can you see this? So this is used to write the main heading. Now we have another, as I told you, there are other 6 options altogether. So we can just copy paste and have a look. 4, 5, 6, and let us change this as H2, H2, H3, and we'll see how our subheadings will appear. So H6, this is H6, H5, H4, H3. Okay, done. So now if you want, you can change the headings. Now let us just check it out. Yes, our all 6 headings looks like this. So this is how you can use H1 to H6 tags for your heading. So let's have only one heading right now. Okay, now next let us have paragraphs. So suppose if I want to write many statements, many lines of text, so that's what we call as a paragraph. For that we have a p tag. So end and start with the p tag here. So inside that whatever you want, I'll just write HTML as a hypertext, is hypertext markup, markup language. So like this, whatever you want to write, you can have a language. Okay, so now what I will do is I'll end my sentence here, and let me copy paste because we don't have much time. So let us copy paste and make or create a big paragraph, and my paragraph ends with this. Yes, right, it's ready. Save it and run it and see your paragraph. Yes, this is what is my paragraph. Okay, now imagine that I have so many lines of text. Okay, now somewhere here I want this line to come in the next line. Okay, this particular part I want to break. So for that we have a BR tag just to break the line. So just it doesn't have any end or something, just to write BR inside the angular bracket, then run and see. So now your paragraph has broken into 2 parts. So this is how you can use a BR tag. Now, so what about the color? Okay, so now this is my screen, which how it appears, it is like a white color. Now how do I give the background color to my web page background? So for that I can use this style for the body. So here you just write style, then say is equal to, then double quotes. So what you want is a background color, so you write background dash color. So what is your background color? So colon, then the name of the color. So no need double quotes and all, just write the color names. I'll write yellow. Yellow is the background color. And you want more to give, anything else to give? Yes, I want the color for the text of body, whatever comes inside the body of the body tag. So for that I want to give color as red color. So now let us end it with semicolon, run this and check the output. Yes, we have a background color yellow, we have the text color red. That's what we have mentioned here. Hope this is clear. Next, I want to change this heading. So just observe this heading. Heading is in the left hand side. So I want my heading to be in the center. How do I bring my heading to the center? So for that, style tag, I can use again the style tag inside the heading tag. Then I can say the text alignment, isn't it? So what is the alignment called? Left align, right align, center align. So you decide what you want as your text heading align. So yes, I want my heading align as center. Normally headings will be in the center position, and for the heading I want to give the separate color. So what color you decide? So I have decided is a green color. You decide your color. Now save this, run and just check it out. So yes, my heading color has changed to green and it is in the center now. Now what I want to do is I want to give the underline. Since this is my main heading, so I want to give the heading underline. So how to give that? So for that we have U tag here. Like for the bold you have B tag, for the italic you have, same way you can use for the underline U tag. Yes, we want to give italic, so give I also here. It's already bold, so no need to give B tag, that is bold tag. So this much is enough. Let us run and check it out. So yes, so it has been underlined and italic, that is slant. Yes. Now what else? Next, so a paragraph is over, everything is over. Next, now let us see the next tag. So that is called as a ordered and unordered list. Suppose if I want to write list of some points, I want to list certain points. So for that I can make use of ordered list or unordered list. So let us first see unordered list. So how do I write the tag? As UL. UL means unordered list. So start with UL, end with UL. Okay. So same way you can even start another is ordered list. Start with OL, end with /OL. Now let us fill certain points inside this. So in order to fill the points under this, in order to list the point, we have to use one more tag called LI. So start with LI and say my first point is my dream. So I'll write just my dream. Okay, so then end it with li /li. So this is my first point. So like that I can copy and paste it. So I can make 3 points over here. So second is say my home, anything, my family, something like that. So whatever you like, you write it, but you started with UL, end it with /UL, and you can list your points with the LI. Same way, let me copy paste over here. It's exactly same, but it starts with OL, ends with OL. Because this is ordered, this is unordered. So let us run and see what is the difference between ordered and unordered list. Yes, both are list only. Yes, but ordered list means it will give the numbers like first, second, third, or you can use A, B, C, D. By default 1, 2, 3 will come, or you can Roman numbers, anything you can give. Whereas unordered list you will have dots, you can give circle, you can give square shapes. So that's what it means. Now let us change. If you want the type of that to be changed, you write type is equal to. So since this is unordered, not ordered, so it means the symbols. So what symbols you want? So let me show one symbol, square. Okay, you can use circle. Okay, let us use circle. Okay, let's check circle. And what symbol you want, what numbering you want here. So the type is equal to, so it is by default 1, 2, 3. Let us have ABCD. So capital or small letter you decide. So I would like to have capital ABCD. So whichever is the one you write there, run and see. Yes, now it has changed to circle and ABC. So this is what we call ordered list and unordered list. Hope this is clear. Next, let us see. What's that? Next tag is a table tag. Okay, how to create a table? So let us create it inside this only. Let me delete it. Yes. So to create a table tag, it starts with the tag name table. You just give table here, and everything you write and keep it ready so that you will not forget. So ends with table. So when I say table, okay, inside that it will have headings, it will have data. So first row is reserved for headings. Second, third, fourth, and all you can write the data. So let us decide what are the headings required in my table. Okay, so in order to give the heading, let us use th, okay, tag. So it starts with th and ends with slash th. So here why I wrote th, so that has to come inside the first row. So what is my first row? My first row has a heading. Okay, so tr. So tr stands for first row. Okay, what is my first heading? Yes, th is my table heading. So what is the first heading? Say name of the student. I would like to store name of the student. So my heading, first heading is name. So I want one more heading. So copy paste and write the second heading as roll number. Okay, so we have two headings. So now table has how many rows? Only one row. So let us see. Okay, yes, yeah. Now my table has name and roll number. But when you see there, okay, so it doesn't look like a table. I'll just teach you later. Now let us add another row, and finally I will show you how to put the border. So okay, how many rows you want? So let us have 3 rows. Okay, first row is meant for heading, second row is for data, third row is also for data. So just replace th by td. That's it. So TD stands for table data. Now you need to enter the actual data. So name, you said heading is name. Whose name? So maybe student's name. So Sostik. What is his roll number? Say his roll number is say 1. So that's it. Second row. Okay, second row. What is the name of the student? Student. Yes, it is the data, right? Again, as I told you, just replace th by td and enter the actual name and roll number of the student. So let's say it is Ananya and her roll number is say 10. So that's it. So now let us run this and check it out how my table appears. Yes, this is the table, but this table has no border. So then how to give the border? So here we have the starting table tag. So inside that, give the border is equal to say 3 pixel or whatever, 3 or 4, whatever. Okay, so it's a border thickness. So can you see now my table has border now, so that you have to give. So by default there is no border. So this is how you give the border. Now this table indicates the details of students. So I want one heading for that. So that I can give using caption tag. So if you want, you can use it. Say caption. What's the caption? Students details. So just enter student details and end the tag caption tag. Yes, that's it. So now just observe your table even has the heading, students details. Correct? Now what else we need? Just okay, observe once again, your table's data are not aligned properly. You want it in the center, you want it in the right or left, you decide. So for that, what we can do is each and every row. Okay, I will show you one row. So okay, heading. So let us align the heading. So go to the tr. Okay, that is in the first row. Then you say align is equal to where you want in the center, center. You want in the left, left, right, right. Just replace center by left or right. Now just observe, okay, first this is in the center. The same way you can just copy paste the same thing for the second and third row. See, in no time your table data are arranged in particular order. That's center. See, alignment is center. That's it. So our table is ready now. The next tab what I'm going to teach you is the image tag. Okay, image tag. Suppose you want to insert one image or picture. So how do I insert? So for that, img, image stands for image, src stands for source file. So where is the file? Picture file. So is equal to double quotes picture file. Yes, let us find some picture files. If there is no picture files, there is the picture file should be in the form of jpg or jpg format. Okay, if it is not there, you can just download from the Google, or else if it is already there in your machine, you can just find out its name. So I have 3 files over here. So I'll use this green.jpg. Okay, so let me write the name. It is, and remember, when you are directly giving the source file name here, that file also should be exist in the same directory where your this web document is there. So both are in desktop, so I need not give the address directly. I can just write the name of that. So what is the name? Green.jpg. So if it is under C drive, then you have to write the full path. So under C drive, /. So otherwise it is better always to store the pictures in the same folder where your web document is stored. So that is the best option. So this is how I show my pictures. Okay, now let us see the picture. Yes, so this is what is my picture show. But if you want a little border to your pictures, picture, it has no border, it is borderless. You want to put a border, so very simple. Again, you give border is equal to whatever is the thickness of your that you can just give it here, 3 pixel or 2 pixel, whatever, 5 pixel, etc. Just run and check it out. Yes, so can you see now red color border has appeared around the picture. So this is so simple. So now next let us see how to let me delete this part. So yeah, now let us see how to give a link from one web page to another web page. Yeah, for that we have anchor tag. So anchor tag starts with a, then href, reference, hyper, where you want to connect it to. So that file name you write. So right now I don't have any web pages, so let me create it. So before that, let me decide the name. Say imagine that I have a web2 html file. So when I click on somewhere, in the sense, so I have to write click here or click me. I'll write click me. So when this is a text which appears, so with the hand symbol, so when I click on that, it will connect it to the next web page. That is, I am right now in the web 1 and it will connect me to the web 2 pages. So okay, let us end the anchor tag. So now let us just check it out, run. Yes, somewhere here there is click me. Okay, you can see hand symbol here, just click it, so it will take you to it. But we don't have the web2.html, so let us create it and check it out. So how to create the another web page? Yes, it is again simple. Just go to notepad. Okay, then say new here, new tab or something, and again you know how to create the simple web page. Start with HTML, end with HTML. Okay, now in our previous web page we have this image car, so let us shift it to the next web page. So let us store this picture in the second web page. Yes, it's here. Yes, now let us save this as web, again under desktop, and name is web2.html. Yes, saved. Okay, now I'm in the first one. Okay, save this. Okay, file, save, go to this. Okay, right click, refresh, click here. Now you can see when I clicked on that click me text, it has linked me to another web page, that is web2.html. So same thing you can do it from here also. When you click on web2.html, it may take you to this first web page. So it's a reverse of that. So hope this is clear to you. Thank you.